In this guide, I'm going to show you the best Xbox ROG Ally X settings for maximum performance. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now first press the command center button to open up the quick panel, and by default your device is most likely going to be on 17 watts performance mode. For maximum performance, switch to 25 watt turbo mode because your fans will get louder. Don't worry, that's normal. Turbo mode essentially just pushes the system harder for better FPS. From here, go ahead and open up your settings, and what you're going to want to do after you open up your settings is go into your Windows settings, and once it does load, go specifically to your display settings, and by default it's going to be set to 1080p. You can go ahead and change this to 720p for higher resolution. So go ahead and adjust that accordingly. I currently have two monitors technically set up since I'm screen recording on this one right here, so I'd have to adjust this one. Obviously, the lower resolution, the higher FPS. Make sure your refresh rate is also in this section set to 120 Hz because this will allow your screen to actually display higher frame rates. You can adjust your FPS limit. I would recommend setting it to 120 or unlimited if you prefer, as well as turning on the real-time monitor, which you could do back in the Xbox Ally X settings. But go to Armory Crate as well and go to Performance and Operating Mode. And if you know what you're doing, you could try Manual Mode, but only use Manual if you're experienced. Changing CPU or fan curves incorrectly can cause instability. Most people will just stick with Turbo Mode. And also head into your GPU settings as well. And I would recommend trying Radeon Boost, which will dynamically lower resolution during fast movement and it'll increase your FPS. Anti-lag is pretty good as well because it helps reduce input delay and helps responsiveness. And AMD Fluid Motion Frames is also pretty good as well because it's going to enable frame generation. Now, some of these can increase input delay, so just keep that in mind. But on top of that, in every single one of your game's settings, go ahead and just go to the graphics settings and set everything to low, turn off shaders, disable motion blur, and disable unnecessary effects. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.